Welcome back to another MobileSentrix Monday. Today we're going to be going over a few things that you might have missed from last week that you should definitely be made aware of. Let's get into the video. Something that I'm excited about is the iPhone 13 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max soft OLEDs. This is the Exo 7 2.0, which means the refresh rate is 120Hz and it's IC transfer compatible. It's currently limited to 7 purchases per account per day. And due to high demand, the 13 Pro Max is only limited to 1 per account per day. But one of the things that gets me most excited is obviously the price. I love seeing prices like this. It means that the repair price that you can offer your client becomes that much more affordable. And also back in stock is the iPhone 14 Pro Max Soft OLED Exo 7 2.0, which is the one that has the 120Hz refresh rate and is IC transfer compatible. This one has a limit of 7 pieces per account per day. And of course, these being the Exo 7 have the OLED breakage warranty. So if you aren't too familiar with that warranty, definitely go and check it out on the website. It's unlike any other warranty and definitely puts the Exo 7 on top of the pack. And of course, if you haven't taken the time to recently go through the website and check out all of the new products that are available, I highly recommend that you do that, as there's new tools, new equipment, and new parts available for a lot of different models. If there's something that you'd like to see in a future video, let me know. I'm excited for the videos that are going to come out this week, so make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on those. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.